In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export board data in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're working on Monday.com and need to extract information from your boards, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the simple steps to export your board data efficiently. This is perfect whether you're looking to share data with team members who might not have access to Monday.com, or if you want to manipulate the data in another program like Excel. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to locate the board that you want to export. This is the board where all your important data is housed, and that you're intending to pull out into a separate file. Make sure you're logged into Monday.com and navigate to the specific board. Open it up and give it a quick glance to ensure it's the exact information you want to export. It's always a good habit to verify that the data is up to date and accurate before proceeding with any exporting tasks. Once you've got your board open and ready, draw your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu represented as 3 small dots. It's sometimes known as the More Options menu, or simply the 3-dot menu. This is where many of the board controls reside. When you click on this menu, a drop-down list of options will appear. This menu gives you various functionalities you might not use every day, but are crucial for tasks like exporting data. Now, as you browse through the drop-down menu, look for an option that says Export Table to Excel. This is the key option that facilitates the data export process. Clicking on Export Table to Excel initiates the export operation. The platform will begin to gather all the relevant data from your selected board into an Excel file format. It's a straightforward process, but be sure not to navigate away from the page or interrupt this process too soon. Depending on the size of your board, this may take a few moments. Finally, after you select Export Table to Excel, your file will begin to download automatically. It will typically save directly to the default download location on your device, often your Downloads folder. The file will be in an Excel-ready format, which allows you to open it with any spreadsheet software for further use. Whether you're aiming to run complex data analysis or need to send the data to someone without access to Monday.com, this exported Excel file is versatile and practical. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to export your data from Monday.com. Remember, having your information in an Excel format can open doors to various functionalities such as creating graphs, performing detailed calculations, or even transferring data to other software. So make the most of this feature and ensure your data management is as seamless as possible.